Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Fiac AB 50/268 The Fiac AB 50/268-2MC represents an excellent product in the field of electric compressors, offering an optimal balance between performance, energy efficiency, and durability. Equipped with a 2-horsepower electric motor and a high-quality belt drive, the Fiac AB 50/268-2MC stands out for its ability to operate at low rotation speeds. With a tank capacity of 50 liters and an air production of 250 liters per minute, supported by a maximum pressure of 11 bar, 160 psi. It features excellent maneuverability thanks to its wheels and handle. This characteristic makes it particularly suitable for a wide range of industrial applications, including mechanical workshops and production lines, where it is essential to have a reliable source of compressed air. Despite its high performance, the compressor maintains a Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.